Hello everyone. Myself, Anil here from the CIMAGE Group of Institutions, the Department of Marketing, and I am going to discuss today in this video. The topic is the 4 P's of marketing mix. The marketing mix. Very first of all, we will understood about the marketing mix. What is all about the marketing mix and why it requires. Marketing mix means the different aspects of the marketing has been mixed up. Why? To get the effectiveness under the marketing system. And how it has been, it was been thought by the McCarthy. And McCarthy has proposed the 4 P's. Means the 4 P's means the product, price, place, and promotion. We had already been discussed in the previous video that the product attributes, the price attributes, the promotion attributes, and how the concepts of the marketing evolved in course of the time. And in this, because जैसे जैसे हमारी मार्केटिंग के डेवलपमेंट हुई, चैलेंजेस मार्केटर के लिए उतना ही बढ़ता चला गया। और हमने बताया था आपको सोसाइटल मार्केटिंग कॉन्सेप्ट्स में कि सोसाइटीज को कंसर्न में रखते हुए मार्केटर के पास ये बहुत बड़ी चैलेंज थी कि हम सोसाइटीज को एक मास लेवल पे उनको सेटिस्फाई करें, सोसाइटीज को सेटिस्फाई रादर देन टू इंडिविजुअल। और इसी को ध्यान में रखते हुए मैकार्थी ने 4 P's की डेवलपमेंट की। उन्होंने एक मार्केटिंग मिक्स बनाया। मार्केटिंग मिक्स मीन्स व्हाट? द डिफरेंट aspects or different attributes of the marketing that has to be mixed with each other so that the effective marketing could take place. And in this regard, there are 4 P's: the product, price, place, and promotion. Now, the product, as we all know, this is the main concern of the customer. Always we start our things, the customer start the marketing activity with the product itself. Although he had a different needs, and according to that needs, he always been in search of the product that fulfills the need of that particular customer or for the any kind of the customer. And the product, how it is going to be effective for any marketer, that could only be understood with the attributes of the product. And what all attributes are under the product? That is the product variety, the quality, the design, the features, the brand name, the size, the services, warranties, and returns. अगर हम लोग बात करें प्रोडक्ट एट्रीब्यूट्स की, तो प्रोडक्ट को इफेक्टिव बनाने के लिए हमें किन किन बातों को ध्यान रखना पड़ता है? प्रोडक्ट को इफेक्टिव बनाने के लिए हमें सबसे पहले उसके क्वालिटीज को देखना पड़ता है, उसकी प्रोडक्ट की वैरायटीज को देखनी पड़ती है, हमें उसकी डिजाइन्स को भी देखना पड़ता है, हमें फीचर्स के बारे में भी देखना पड़ता है, और ब्रांड नेम्स भी हम लोग यूज करते हैं अपने प्रोडक्ट के इफेक्टिवनेस को बढ़ाने के लिए। वारंटीज को भी देखते हैं, साइज को भी देखते हैं, सर्विसेज को भी देखते हैं, और इन सारे एट्रीब्यूट्स के आधार पे हम प्रोडक्ट की पूरी उसकी जो एफिशिएंसी है उसको हम लोग बढ़ाने की कोशिश करते हैं। और वी ऑल नो कि जितनी अच्छी प्रोडक्ट उतनी अच्छी उसकी मार्केटिंग, और अल्टीमेटली द कस्टमर ओनली गेट सेटिस्फैक्शन, which is one of the great objectives of the marketing, when it gets a quality product, and he gets in return the customer value. And that is why the product is so important for the marketing. And the McCarthy, what he had proposed, he proposed these all attributes as a tool for the marketer. A marketer could be effective in the market with the help of this all attributes in the form of the product, price, place, and promotion. And the second aspects he had taken into consideration to make this tool the price. Now, the various kinds of the prices has been evaluated. And on the basis of those prices, the customer could get a quality product also, and he could be affordable also. Say, for example, incentives, discount, list price, allowances, and payment period. These all attributes considered for the price. And if any marketer he want to use these tools, he had to take the consideration of these all attributes, which is with regard to the price. Now, the third one, that is the promotion. And we all know that how important is this attribute. This attributes is so important, and it plays a very, very crucial role in terms of the marketing, because this is only the way through which we could enhance ourselves and we could get the maximum profit. We could optimize our profit through the promotion also. It does not mean only the promotion. We are required to have a balance within these all four attributes of the marketing. That is product, price, place, and promotion. Your promotion also should be like that, so that the customer, they get the satisfaction, they get the delightment, and ultimately they have to be retained with that particular product. Now, how the promotion could be done? He had devised the sale promotions, the advertising, the sale forces, the public relation, and direct marketing. These are the attributes that makes the promotion very effective. Now, it is all depends on the marketer. Okay, what kind of the promotional tools he is using for. And with the help of these promotional tools also, this is one of the attributes of the marketing mix. And in this regard, ये जितने सारे अभी हमने एट्रीब्यूट्स बताए आपको प्रमोशन के, उसको अगर हम लोग बहुत अच्छे तरीके से एनालाइज करके और एक चारों एट्रीब्यूट्स के आधार पर अगर हम एक मिक्स तैयार करें, तो ऑब्वियस है कि वी कुड एबल टू कंप्लीट द मार्केटिंग ऑब्जेक्टिव्स. नाउ द अनदर वन, दैट इज द प्लेस. Place signifies for what it is all means about the distributions, the presence of the product at each level. Whosoever the consumer is for that particular product, the product must be reached to the target customer. A marketer always target his customer first, and he had to deliver his product to those kind of the customer. And this is very, very important with respect to what, even though the product, the price, the promotion, these all works very efficiently. But if the product could not be reached at the particular place where the demand is there, so the marketing objectives could not be fulfilled. And that's why these all four attributes McCarthy has been devised to make a tools so that a manager could be have the effectiveness in terms of the marketing activities. And with the help of, by using these marketing mix tools, a manager or the marketer can be very effective in terms of the market. He could acquire a more share to the market. He also get the optimum revenue and profit also. And moreover, he could be able to satisfy the customer also. And this is what the objective of this marketing mix. With the help of this concept, this is a kind of the tools. हम अगर इसको define करना चाहें, तो it is a set of marketing tools that the firm uses to persuade its marketing objectives in target market, as I told earlier also. And with the help of this marketing mix, very easily a marketer could be survive in the market. होप कि आपको इस वीडियो के माध्यम से आपको ये सारी बातें समझ में आई होंगी, और उम्मीद करता हूं कि आपको ये वीडियो लाइक करेंगे, एंड ये 4 पीस का जो कॉन्सेप्ट है ये आप सभी को बेहतर तरीके से समझ में आया होगा। थैंक यू सो मच।